Okay, on this one we're going to solve for y, basically isolate for y, and then an interesting fraction property comes to play here, and we do this quite a bit when we're trying to graph lines. So let's go ahead and isolate this y. So we're subtracting 6x from it, so we want to add 6x both sides. Okay, those cancel, bring down the 2y. Okay, we can't take negative 6 from 20 because there's the x variable involved. So we're going to get negative 6x plus 20. And I'm going to do y equals mx plus b. So keep that in mind since we'll be graphing later. Okay, so now I still have this 2 being multiplied to my y. I need to divide it out. Okay, and when we do that, what we got to remember is we got to reduce the fraction, the terms on either side. All right. So I can basically rewrite this problem as negative 6x over 2 plus 20 over 2. And what I just did was apply a fraction property, which is, I'll write it on this side. If we have a plus b that share a common denominator, we can then separate both the a and the b with that same denominator. Okay, and it works either way, left or right. So that's basically what I do. So that 2 basically is really two 2's that we divide from each individual fraction. All right, so when we do that, we'll keep this in fraction form as best we can. So negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. So that's x. And then 20 divided by 2 is 10. Okay, and here we have our isolated y and everything reduced.